Here's how to set up the Parrot swing. Insert the battery or press the on-off button to turn on the Parrot swing. Now, download the Free Flight Mini application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Activate the Bluetooth function on your smartphone or tablet. Then open the Free Flight Mini application.
Free Flight automatically detects Parrot Minidrones situated around you.
Select your drone.
Wait until the Parrot drone LEDs become a constant green. The Parrot swing is ready. You are now connected to the swing.
And your drone is now ready for takeoff.